it's Hi5 Trainer, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make a lava lamp. So let's go into the video. So the items you need are a container, alka-seltzer, food colouring, water and some oil. So the first step is to add oil to about 60 to 70% of your container. The next step is to add about 20-25% of water to your container. Now I've added both water and oil. As you can see, the oil floats on water because the oil has less density than water. So the next step is to add food colouring to your bottles. I'm using 4 different colours for 4 bottles. As you can see, I've added food colouring to my bottles. Now I'm going to shake them so you can clearly see the colour at the bottom. The next step is to break your alka-seltzer tablets into 4 quarters. Now I'm going to add my broken pieces into my bottles. If you want to keep this working, all you have to do is add some more alka-seltzer to it. This looks so amazing. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please subscribe and turn on the notifications bell to get notified whenever I upload another video.